This is one of the worst parts about being a beginner fisherman. Usually the first thing a beginner fisherman does is walk into their local tackle shop to try and find the right fishing lures to catch largemouth bass or their favorite species. Now you're probably wondering, well, why the heck are tackle shops so bad for beginner fishermen? And the main reason is because in tackle shops, only about 10% of the fishing lures are actually useful at catching fish. As a beginner fisherman, you need to keep your lure selection very simple because this will make it a lot easier. This means using fishing lures that are very simple like Senko worms and topwater frogs. Eventually you can get into those fancy lures, but for now I recommend you get a Senko worm, a swim bait, and a topwater frog. Another thing you need to think about is sometimes when you go into tackle shops, there's just hundreds of different types of fishing rods, and you need to remember to keep this very simple. Forget about all those fancy fishing combinations and just get a 7-foot medium action spinning rod, and that's all you're gonna need as a beginner fisherman. So if you're a beginner fisherman and you implement everything that I just told you, then you will be very successful very soon. I hope you guys found this helpful, and if you enjoyed, make sure to follow me for more fishing tips.